such a huge difference with all those mods. You guys just saw the past couple days I've been filming back to back, just installing a few parts to the new BMW. And guys, just those simple mods changed the look of the car drastically. Like, it doesn't even look like the same car. Like, all the chrome delete, the front splitter makes it look a lot lower. I'm only gonna be on stock suspension for a little longer, but for the little mods that I did and for the amount of money I paid, like, it's ridiculous. It looks so clean. And then of course, we did the carbon fiber little spoiler on the back. And the carbon fiber spoiler looks so good. It actually looks like a sportier car, because before it kind of like just looked like an older gentleman's car, I guess I would say. And I got the new plate. And this plate, guys, when I ordered it, he said that this plate just came out a week ago. So this plate is brand new here in Arizona, and it looks so sick because it's like damn near the same blue as the BMW blue. I want to hear what you guys think of the new mods. Seriously, I'm absolutely in love with this car. When I first got this car, I was absolutely in love and obsessed with it, and with the new mods, I didn't even think I could be even more obsessed with it. But now, guys, I just catch myself coming out in the garage and looking at the car in the garage. And this has been a couple days, and I've just been enjoying, you know, just driving this car. I drive it every day. This is the daily driver, getting me and my family around. And man, do I love pulling up and driving this thing. I do have quite a bit of more things on the way. I just wanted to install these first couple things because they were already delivered, and it made such a big difference. And I'm so glad I went with this grill. This is like the new diamond grill for the G20s and stuff, and it looks so sick. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right now of what it looked like before and what it looks like now, so you guys can really get a look of how different this looks. There we have it, guys. The G20 is coming along good. It's going exactly how I envisioned it, and I have so many more mods, like I was just saying, and I can't wait to get those mods, install it on the G20, and just drive this thing around. I've been enjoying driving it every single day, and you know, guys, this is honestly probably one of my favorite cars I have ever owned. I know that's a huge statement, but I just really enjoy driving it. It's so smooth. I don't know how much longer it's going to be driving like that once I get new suspension. Until we get the new suspension, I'll be doing a review, and I'll be definitely letting you guys know once I get the new suspension and how much of a difference it did change the driving experience. But guys, the G20. New video is coming very, very soon, guys. I'm actually planning on going to a car meet with the new G20. I've never taken it to a car meet, so expect to see that video coming very soon. But until next time, guys, hope you guys like this video, and leave a comment below and let your boy Steezy know what you guys think of the new mods and what you'd like to see. But until then, guys, we out here. Peace.
Don't tell me I can't fly. Don't tell me I can't fly. Too many different Mississippi motion, can't tell what's next. If I ain't in that SRT, bitch, I push the gas, won't use a brake, I got a need for speed. I don't for races, but you know I always keep the peace. They think I'm talking freedom, pussy boy, I'm talking about the state. Niggas talk like bitches went together, you can suck my dick. If they don't find it, not the 10. And they clip from a distance beyond my ken. If I don't got a year from you niggas, I'm feeling zen. I'm saying all this shit from my mental, don't need no pen.